How to sharpen your knife, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to sharpen your knife. Whether you're an amateur cook or a professional chef, having a sharp knife is essential for efficient and safe cutting. Before you begin sharpening your knife, you'll need to gather a few tools. You'll need a sharpening stone, a honing rod, and a towel or cloth to wipe your knife. You can find sharpening stones and honing rods at most kitchen supply stores or online. The first thing you need to do is determine the angle of your knife's edge. Most kitchen knives have a bevel angle of around 20 degrees. However, some knives, like Japanese knives, have a smaller angle. To determine the angle of your knife, you can use a sharpening guide or simply eyeball it. Now it's time to set up your sharpening stone. Place it on a flat surface and wet it with water. This will help keep your knife from getting too hot and will also help remove the metal shavings from the stone. Hold your knife at the desired angle and place it on the sharpening stone. Use a consistent motion and apply even pressure as you move the knife back and forth across the stone. Start with the coarsest side of the stone and work your way to the finer side. Repeat this process on the other side of the knife. After you've finished sharpening your knife, it's time to hone it. Hold your honing rod upright and place the tip of the rod on a non-slip surface. Hold your knife at a 15 to 20 degree angle and run the blade down the honing rod, starting at the base of the blade and working your way up. Repeat this process several times on each side of the blade. Finally, wipe your knife clean with a towel or cloth to remove any metal shavings or debris. Your knife should now be sharp and ready to use. That's it. Sharpening your knife isn't difficult, but it does take a bit of practice. With the right tools and technique, you'll be able to keep your knife sharp and ready to use whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.